ChatGPT is a computer program. It can talk to you like a person. It can answer questions. It can even write stories. ChatGPT is helpful for many things. You can use it to learn new things. You can use it for fun. Let's learn how to use it. First, you need to create an account. This is a simple process that will only take a few minutes of your time. Go to the ChatGPT website by typing the URL into your web browser's address bar and hitting enter. Once the website loads, look for the Sign Up button, usually located at the top right corner of the page, and click on it. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure to use a valid email address that you have access to, as you will need to verify it later. Next, you will need to create a password. Choose a strong password that includes a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters to ensure your account is secure. After entering your email and creating a password, you will receive a confirmation email. Open this email and click on the verification link to activate your account. Once your account is activated, return to the ChatGPT website. Enter your email address and the password you created in the login form. Click the login button to access your account. Now you are ready to start chatting with ChatGPT. You can ask questions, seek advice, or just have a friendly conversation.
Enjoy exploring the capabilities of ChatGPT and make the most out of your interactions. Happy chatting.
You will see a text box. This is where you type your messages. Type your question or request. Click the send button or press enter. ChatGPT will respond to you. It might take a few seconds to think. Be patient. ChatGPT is a fast learner.
Section 4. Writing good prompts. In this section, we will explore the art of crafting effective prompts for ChatGPT. Prompts tell ChatGPT what to do. They are the instructions that guide the AI in generating responses. Good prompts are clear and specific. They leave little room for ambiguity, ensuring that the AI understands exactly what you need. For example, instead of typing "write a story," try "write a short, funny story about a dog who goes to school." This gives the AI a clear direction and context. The more information you give ChatGPT, the better it will understand you. Details such as tone, style, and specific elements can greatly enhance the response. Think about the purpose of your prompt. Are you looking for a creative story, factual information, or a specific type of response? Tailoring your prompt to your needs is crucial. Experiment with different phrasings and levels of detail. Sometimes, rewording a prompt can yield better results. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you work on crafting good prompts, the more effective your interactions with ChatGPT will become. This will help it give you the best possible response. Happy prompting!
Section 5. Advanced ChatGPT Tips. In this section, we will explore some advanced tips and tricks to get the most out of your ChatGPT experience. You can do more with ChatGPT. It's not just about asking questions and getting answers. You can customize your interactions to suit your specific needs. For instance, you can tell it how long or short to make its response. This is particularly useful if you need a brief summary or a detailed explanation. You can also tell it what style to use, like formal or informal. This can help tailor the responses to match the tone of your project or conversation. There are special commands you can use to enhance your experience. These commands can help you navigate and utilize ChatGPT more effectively. For example, you can type "regenerate" to get a new response. This is useful if the initial response doesn't quite meet your needs or expectations. You can type "help" if you need assistance. This command provides you with a list of options and guidance on how to use ChatGPT more efficiently. By mastering these advanced tips, you can make your interactions with ChatGPT more productive and tailored to your specific requirements.
Section 6. Using ChatGPT in real life. ChatGPT can help you with many things.
You can use it to write emails, articles, and even poems.
You can ask it to explain complex topics in a simple way.
If you are learning to code, ChatGPT can help you with your code. It can also translate languages. There are so many possibilities.
Section 7. Keep learning. This is just the beginning. There are many more ways to use ChatGPT. Keep exploring and see what you can discover. Don't be afraid to ask questions. Have fun and enjoy learning with ChatGPT every day.